If you want to enable or disable screen auto rotate on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you have to scroll down from the top right corner of the screen and let's locate this button. This is our auto rotate button. So in order to turn it on or turn it off, you're simply to tap on it. When it doesn't have any color, it means it's off. When it glows with this white color, it means it's on. For further settings, let's hold our finger on it. So here we can enable our home screen rotation, lock screen rotation, and voice call screen rotation. Show rotate button at the bottom of the screen is enabled by the default. So now, if you enabled everything, you will be able to rotate your phone in any direction which you will find possible. And in order to turn this option off, tap on this button. Now nothing will rotate. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.